This is a method of installing full-length living hinges on a brand new drum shield. These two guys got it figured out. So put the back end of the drum shield in the corner for leverage. It's going to take at least two guys. Three's even better. Get it started at the top with 90-degree pressure against the hinge. You can hear it start to snap. It's going to take a lot of pressure because these hinges are super tight. And then once you can get it going and get it in the hinge, you can take a rubber mallet and tap it in all the way. But the corner is the ticket because you have equal pressure all the way down to get it started. We tried every other method, and the manufacturer said 2 to 3 guys, press it hard from top to bottom. But I think the corner is the key so that you can maintain equal pressure all the way down. Then you can take a rubber mallet and just start tapping it in from the top until it bottoms out all the way down. Good job, guys. These are the guys from Cascade Community Church in Monroe, Washington. Andrew Swenson, Isaac Hanna, you guys rock.